If you're struggling to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, then this video is absolutely for you, because today I'm just going to be talking about what will actually help you get 4,000 watch hour faster. Like I said, there are several ways you can get it, but I'll be talking about just a few. Hi guys, welcome back to Juanita's Create, and if you're just seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Juanita, and on this channel I talk about all things growth, YouTube growth, monetization and content creation. And today the topic is how to get 4,000 watch hour fast in 2026. So number one thing I'll say is try to create long form content. When you're creating content from 8 minutes and above, that will help your watch hour grow. But if you're doing small, like short, when I say short, maybe like 2-minute video, 1-minute video, 3-minute video, it will slow down your process of getting 4,000 watch hour. So focus on creating longer videos, and the long videos, when you're doing it, try to have value, try to have, make it interesting, try to have some B-roll so that people can, watch it for longer time. Yeah. Because long form content, it matters a lot, especially when it comes to accumulating your watch hour. Shorts is good. Shorts can help you get the exposure, it can help you get the subscriber. So start creating videos, start creating long videos, start making your videos longer. Maybe you have something you want to talk about and you bullet point your point. Maybe you have like 5 points. You can just add some examples. That's how to make your videos longer. Add more examples. Maybe normally you used to add like one example, you can look for another example just to make it longer. That way you accumulate your 4,000 watch hour pretty fast. Number 2, make searchable content. Make videos that that people are searching for, people are looking for. Do your research on topic, do your research that that people, maybe you have a niche, do research of what people are searching for on YouTube. Which mistake beginners make is making random videos that nobody's searching for. You can, if you want to have idea of what people are searching for, you can just type it in the YouTube search bar. It will give you ideas of what people are searching for, so that you can go ahead and create that kind of content. And don't just post random thing. Maybe today you're putting makeup, tomorrow you're putting you're putting comedy, tomorrow you're putting, another day you're putting how to make cars or finance. Just try to focus on a particular niche for a period of time, just to accumulate your, I know you might have other interests, we all do, but for a period of time, try to do like a series that will help you. You have to think about videos that people are typing every day on YouTube, so then you can get ideas and make such videos. Examples of what people are typing every day, let me give example, like how to get monetized on YouTube, how to get 4,000 watch hour, how to get to 1,000 subscriber, then product review. People also search for makeup, hair, all those things. If you type it, if you go to your YouTube now and just put how to, you see a lot of example come out. Those are the example. That's to show you that people are searching for such topic. So whatever niche you are, just go to the YouTube and type how to. It will bring out different series of different topics, different suggestions that you can pick from there. That's what people are searching for. It will help you, because the truth is, searchable content, evergreen content, can keep bringing viewers month and month and month. Number 3, improve your thumbnail. Thumbnail is a big deal, right? Because for me myself, I'm still working tirelessly on my thumbnail, because thumbnail is like what people see. When you go to YouTube, the picture you see, like the cover head of what you see before you click. Like when you go to Netflix as well, you look at different movies preview, right? Look at them, and whatever you click is called a thumbnail, right? So any picture you see before you click, because whether I like it or not is what people will first see your thumbnail before they decide whether they want to watch your video or not. So try as much as possible to work on your thumbnail even before you start shooting. Once you know your title and you know what you want it to be on your thumbnail, start trying and working on your thumbnail. That will help you a lot, because if peradventure YouTube push your video to white people, to more audience, and people see your thumbnail before they click and say, okay, let me even know what is in this video. So try to work on your thumbnail. Very essential to help you to get watch hour here. If people don't click your thumbnail, they cannot watch it. If they don't click your video, they cannot watch it. So thumbnail matters a whole lot. Why? So before you upload a video, you ask yourself some questions. Will I click on this thumbnail? Is the thumbnail visible? Is it clear? Is this something someone can read? Does it have so much words? Because there's a rule of thumb that your thumbnail should not be more than 4 words. I know that these days a lot of people put more words and they get clicks, but the rule of thumb is it should not be more than 4 words so that people can quickly read and see and decide if they should click. Because trust me, there's a lot of videos out there. People are uploading videos per minute, per second. YouTube get like 20 million video uploaded daily, so the competition is high and all of that. So you want to try so much to make your thumbnail stand out, yes, so that you can get your watch hour fast. Because if your thumbnail is not good, people are not going to click to see what is even in that content. Thumbnail clear, make it bold, make it easy to read, and add some emotions. Me, I'm also trying and working on that one now, because emotions, there's something it does. It makes people even want to be curious and click, and so yes, make it clear, bold, and add some emotions to your picture, and yeah. Number 4, keep people watching longer. YouTube like that so much. When people eventually click on your video and they are spending time on their platform watching your video, and then from your video they are moving to another of your video, and even if it's not your video, they are going to next, they are going to another video. So YouTube likes it. It sends a very strong signal to the algorithm that that people are watching your video, and from your video they are moving to your next video and to other videos. So they like it. They like high retention. They like audience retention, basically. So try as much as possible to make your videos interesting. You can add some b-rolls, you can add some editing, basic editing. You can add caption. It will make, I feel like me, when I watch videos, when I see caption, it makes me even want to stay longer. And try to add like jump cut, just basic. You don't want to do too much editing. If you're not into editing, just do basic, and yes, it will make people watch more. And then improve on your storytelling, and you can add some stories to your videos, improve on it, learn more about storytelling and all of that. Number 5, try as much as possible to stay consistent. A lot of people don't really like to hear consistent and all of that, but you don't want to post one video today and disappear for another 4 months. You want to try as much as possible. When I say consistent, it can mean different things for different people. For me, it can mean posting twice a week. For somebody else, it can mean posting once a week. For somebody else, it can mean posting every day. For somebody else too, it can mean posting twice a day. So consistent mean different things to different people, but try as much as possible to be in the platform. Even if it's once a week you're posting, is good, and that's your consistency. All well and good, that's fine. Try to keep it up every week. Not that you post today and you disappear for another 3 months or 2 weeks or 4 weeks. I know that life happens, but even if you disappear for a period of time, try to come back and to be consistent, because consistent plays a huge role in getting your watch hour accumulated fast. Because if you disappear for 3 months, 2 months, and you come back, it has happened to me firsthand, YouTube will not push your channel. It will slow it down. It will be like it's only few people is showing. Maybe you used to get like 10,000 impressions, 5,000 impressions. It will go drastically down, and you'll be seeing something like 200, 300 impressions because you left the platform. YouTube don't like people leaving their platform. YouTube is a jealous lover. It wants you to stay on the platform and to be filming and to yes. So try as much as possible to be consistent if you want to get your watch hour very fast, because consistency really matters. It's not like you have to post every day, but try to give yourself a schedule. Do it as if it's a job. Like, every Wednesday is my filming day. I will try as much as possible to film 2 videos for the following week. And if you cannot make it that Wednesday, you schedule it to another day, but try as much as possible to be serious with your videos, because if you're serious, eventually YouTube will begin to push your videos. Number 6, try to create video around one topic. If it's makeup you're doing or YouTube growth, for example, try to stay there for a long period of time before you now digress or do something else. All right, so try to niche down first for a period of time, because one thing that can slow growth is when you're posting different things. Maybe today you're doing makeup, tomorrow you're doing YouTube growth, next tomorrow you're doing comedy, another day you're doing finance, or you're are doing, crypto, so different things to slow down your growth, because YouTube algorithm will not know who to push your content to. They won't know who to show your videos because they are confused. They don't know who your audience are. So to make it easier for the algorithm, you want to follow a path, you want to have a niche, especially in the very beginning, so that they will know who your target audience are. Very essential. So if your channel is about YouTube grow, you want to stay around that topic for a long time, so that you can get your right audience faster. And finally, 7, I repeat, do not quit too early. I know that YouTube has faces, trust me, right? Do not quit too early. Even when the views are low, you are getting low impression, do not quit. Just keep striving, especially if it's something you like, because if you quit, you're not going to get your 4,000 watch hour. If you stop posting, the watch hour you have, maybe you have 1,000 watch hour or 500 or 2,000, it will be stagnant. It's not going to move. Miracle will not happen. It will not increase. The only way it can increase is when you keep posting and pushing and beating the algorithm and telling the algorithm, you know what, even if you are not showing my video, I will keep striving, showing up for myself, showing up, and one day to eventually pick up, and then you get your 4,000 watch hours. So do not quit, no matter what, no matter the views. Don't get discouraged, just continue to post, because this is probably one of the reasons people never get to 4,000 watch hour, because they quit even before they get that 4,000 watch hour. They get tired, because a lot of creators, they also struggle with watch hour, but eventually they got it because they kept striving, they kept putting out content, they kept making videos, and finally they go to 4,000 watch hour. No matter what you do, do not quit because your videos are not getting views, because your videos your growth is slow. Don't quit. Let that not be the reason for you to quit. Yes, a small channel watching this video, your breakthrough is around the corner. It can happen anytime. So continue putting out video, continue doing what you like to do, continue researching, and one day your channel would blow up. You will eventually get your 4,000 watch hour. And yes, I've come to the end of the video. In all you do, keep growing and be kind to one another. I'll see you all in my next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.